Do you know what a civil engineer does? These professionals are the backbone of our modern society. They are like the architects of our world, but their work goes far beyond just designing buildings. Civil engineers are responsible for designing, constructing and maintaining the infrastructure that we rely on every day. They design and build everything around us, from the roads we drive on to the bridges we cross, and even the water systems that provide us with clean drinking water. It's a big job, right? The scope of their work is truly vast and incredibly important. Did you know that the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, was built by civil engineers? Pretty impressive. This is just one example of their incredible achievements. Civil engineers are the ones who make sure that our roads are safe, our bridges don't fall down, and our water is clean. They play a crucial role in ensuring public safety and improving our quality of life. Civil engineering is all about designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure that makes our lives easier. This includes not just the visible structures, but also the hidden systems that keep our cities running smoothly. This includes roads, bridges, tunnels, airports, dams, and even water treatment plants. Each project requires meticulous planning and execution. It's a big job with lots of responsibility. Civil engineers must ensure that their designs are not only functional, but also sustainable and safe for the public. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, aren't civil engineers and architects the same thing? The short answer is no. They often work closely together, but their roles are different. Civil engineers focus on the structural integrity and functionality of buildings and infrastructure, ensuring they are safe and efficient. Whereas architects, on the other hand, are primarily concerned with the design and aesthetics of buildings, creating spaces that are both functional and visually appealing. And together, they bring projects to life, each contributing their unique expertise. So imagine a new skyscraper rising in the heart of a bustling city. The architect envisions a sleek modern design that will stand as a landmark for generations. They sketch out the building's form, considering how it will fit into the urban landscape and meet the needs of its occupants. Meanwhile, the civil engineer dives into the details of the building's structure, and they calculate the load-bearing capacities, select materials, and ensure the design can withstand natural forces like wind and earthquakes. Now imagine a world without roads or bridges. Picture a place where the landscape is barren, devoid of any infrastructure. How would we get around? People would have to walk long distances through rough terrain, making travel difficult and time-consuming. What if there were no clean water to drink or safe buildings to live in? Our daily lives would be fraught with challenges, from health risks to unsafe living conditions. That's where civil engineers come in. They are the unsung heroes who design and build the essential structures that make our lives easier and safer. Civil engineers are responsible for designing and constructing all sorts of structures that we rely on every day. From the bridges we cross to the buildings we work and live in, their work is all around us. They make sure that our roads are smooth, ensuring that we can travel quickly and safely. Our bridges are strong enough to carry heavy traffic, providing vital links between communities and cities. And our buildings can withstand earthquakes and storms, protecting us from natural disasters. They also work on projects that protect our environment, such as constructing flood defenses and restoring wetlands. Civil engineers design systems for cleaning up pollution, ensuring that our water and air remain clean. They are also at the forefront of creating renewable energy sources like wind turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric dams, which are crucial for a sustainable future. Civil engineers are always looking for ways to make our world a better place. Their innovative solutions and tireless efforts ensure that our infrastructure keeps pace with the demands of modern life, making our communities safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. So, what does it take to be a civil engineer? First and foremost, you need a strong foundation in math and science, as you'll be using these subjects every day to solve problems and make calculations. To become a civil engineer, you will need to go to university and earn a degree in civil engineering. You'll study subjects like mathematics, physics, and materials science. You'll also take specialized courses in structural analysis, fluid mechanics, and environmental engineering. These courses are designed to give you a strong foundation in the principles and practices of civil engineering. After that, you can start your career as a junior engineer, working on smaller projects under the supervision of more experienced engineers. This is a crucial phase where you'll apply what you've learned in university to real-world situations. You'll gain hands-on experience in project management, site inspections, and client communications. This period is essential for developing your skills and building your professional network. As you gain experience, you can take on more responsibility and eventually become a licensed professional engineer. This usually requires passing a series of exams and accumulating a certain amount of work experience. Once licensed, you'll have the authority to sign off on projects and take on leadership roles. This is a significant milestone in your career, marking your transition from a junior to a senior engineer. This means you can design and oversee your own projects. You'll be responsible for ensuring that your projects meet all safety and regulatory standards. You'll also have the opportunity to innovate and bring your unique vision to life. Whether it's designing a new bridge, developing a sustainable water system, or planning a new urban area, the possibilities are endless. Civil engineering is a challenging and rewarding career that offers the opportunity to make a real difference in the world. You'll be involved in projects that improve the quality of life for communities and contribute to the development of society. From building safer roads to creating efficient public transportation systems, your work will have a lasting impact. If you're interested in building the future, then civil engineering might be the perfect career for you. It's a field that combines creativity, technical knowledge, and problem-solving skills. You'll be part of a profession that is constantly evolving and adapting to new challenges. Plus, there's a strong demand for civil engineers, so you'll have plenty of job opportunities. There are so many exciting career paths out there, each with its own unique set of challenges and rewards. Whether you're interested in technology, healthcare, education, or the arts, there's something for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.